In the world of money and wisdom, few people are as famous as Warren Buffett. He is one of the richest investors ever and became a millionaire by age 30 in 1960. Since then, he has stayed among the richest people in the world. Over the years, Buffett has shared useful advice with young people who want to be successful and wealthy. Here are 10 simple tips from Warren Buffett to inspire you. Number 1. Be careful when others are greedy. Buffett says that to get rich, you need to do things differently from everyone else. When people around you are being greedy and overly confident, it's smart to be careful. On the other hand, when people are scared, that's when you should think about taking risks. This means going against the crowd. Most people tend to do what everyone else is doing without thinking much about it. For example, they might invest in stocks when everyone else is doing it, even if the prices are too high. Smart investors like Buffett often sell during these times. His advice is to be different. Don't just follow the crowd. Watch what others are doing and think about doing the opposite. Being different can lead to success. Number 2. Great things take time. Buffett says that being patient and sticking with it are key to success. He compares building wealth and success to how long it takes for a baby to be born. Just like a baby needs 9 months to develop, big achievements also take time, effort, and dedication. Many people want to get rich and successful quickly, but Buffett warns against expecting fast results. Even with talent and hard work, some things just can't be rushed. Success often means going through tough times and staying focused even when it's hard. His point is that big accomplishments don't happen overnight. They take time, effort, and a lot of patience. Number 3. Spend time with people who are better than you. Buffett says it's important to spend time with people who are better than you in some ways. He suggests choosing friends who have good habits and positive qualities. The people you spend time with have a big influence on you and your life. Young people especially socialize a lot, but Buffett warns that you need to be careful about who you hang out with. He suggests you make a list of the 5 people you spend the most time with and think about where they will be in 5 years. If your friends aren't ambitious or positive, you might follow their lead. So, surround yourself with people who are driven, positive, and knowledgeable. If your friends are unmotivated or don't push you to grow, they could hold you back. That's why Buffett advises picking your friends wisely and avoiding negative, unmotivated people. Number 4. Control your time. Warren Buffett believes it's important to say no so you can control your time. If you let others decide how you spend your time, you won't be able to focus on what really matters to you. Today, there are many distractions like social media, TV, parties, and movies. While these can be fun, they often don't help with personal growth or success. Buffett encourages people to see how many distractions are around them. By saying no to these distractions, you can take back your time and focus on things that really help you grow. The more you avoid distractions and use your time wisely, the more you can achieve. Number 5. You don't have to be the smartest. Warren Buffett says you don't need to be the smartest person to succeed. You just need to be more disciplined. He points out that success isn't all about intelligence or talent. What really matters is having discipline, practicing regularly, staying dedicated, and not giving up. Buffett explains that even people with great talent or high IQs can still struggle if they don't have discipline. Success comes from staying focused, working hard, and not quitting, even when things get tough. Number 6. Understand risk. Warren Buffett believes that risk comes from not knowing enough about what you're doing. He challenges the idea that business and investing are always risky. Instead, he says the real risk comes from not learning about the field you're in. Many people start businesses without taking the time to understand them first. Buffett finds it strange to call business risky while not putting in the effort to learn the necessary skills. To lower risk, Buffett advises you to learn as much as you can. The more you understand your field, the less risky it becomes. By studying and learning, you can make better decisions and avoid problems. Number 7. Avoid bad habits. Warren Buffett warns that bad habits can grow and become harder to break, just like chains getting heavier over time. He talks about how people with addictions often feel stuck and unable to escape their bad habits. His advice is to avoid bad habits altogether. He compares starting bad habits to playing with fire because even small bad habits can grow into bigger problems. By avoiding bad habits from the start, you can save yourself from their negative effects. Number 8. Find joy in your work. Warren Buffett believes it's important to enjoy your work and choose to work for people or companies you respect. Studies show that most people, 85%, don't like their jobs. even though they spend a lot of their lives working. Buffett stresses how important it is to find work that makes you happy. He knows this isn't always easy and may take sacrifice, hard work, and dealing with challenges. But he believes that with determination, you can find a job you love. He advises young people to find work that fits their passions and values because it will lead to more happiness and satisfaction, even if it takes time and effort to get there. Number 9. Look for hidden opportunities. Warren Buffett advises that chasing what's popular won't lead to long-term success. When something becomes widely known and everyone is investing in it or trying it out, the best opportunity has usually passed. Buffett believes that instead of following trends and popular opinions, it's smarter to search for hidden opportunities that others have missed or overlooked. These hidden opportunities often exist in places that aren't obvious to most people, and they require a bit more digging and thinking outside the box. To discover these hidden opportunities, Buffett suggests dedicating time to reading and learning about areas that others aren't paying attention to. While many people focus on entertainment or the latest trends in the news, those who seek out knowledge in less popular areas are more likely to spot opportunities before they become mainstream. For instance, this could mean exploring new industries, learning about smaller companies that aren't yet in the spotlight, or studying technologies that are still developing. By thinking independently and searching for information that isn't already widely known, you position yourself to find opportunities that others may miss. Buffett's idea is to not just go along with what everyone else is doing, but to be one step ahead by seeking out the chances that aren't obvious to the crowd. This mindset can lead to long-term success because you're finding value in areas others have not yet discovered. When you focus on what others overlook, you can capitalize on opportunities before they become widely recognized and take advantage of them before they are priced too high or become too competitive. Number 10. Invest in what you know. Warren Buffett advises not to invest in things you don't fully understand. Instead, focus on areas that you are really interested in and willing to learn more about. He believes that you should build deep knowledge in a few areas instead of trying to be good at everything. Buffett says that if you don't want to spend time learning about a business or industry, you shouldn't invest in it, even if it's popular. For example, if you don't understand how cryptocurrencies work, Buffett says it's better not to invest in them. The same goes for stocks or real estate. Only invest if you've taken the time to learn how they work. The idea is to only put your money into things you know well. This lowers the risk of making mistakes and increases your chances of success over time. Warren Buffett's timeless wisdom teaches us that success isn't just about making money. It's about living a life full of purpose and meaning. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications so you won't miss any future content. I hope you have a great day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.